Today I'm going to be working on this Husqvarna 525BX. There are a couple of screws missing, different things like that. So this might be several videos that I do to get this working. I'm going to start off with taking off the carburetor and checking out the fuel lines. Let's see. Let's take this off. Okay, let's pull this out. So that fuel filter is still attached. I'm going to start off by replacing that. All right, got it on. Let's pull you out. Okay, that was a lot easier than getting it off. Should pop back in. Yep. Okay, let's assemble this back again. This thing is missing a couple of gaskets, but I'm going to be doing a video later on where I pretty much build my own gaskets or other new gaskets. For now, it's just changing one thing at a time. So I got that on, and just to show you what's going on, there are two nipples on this. The longer one goes back into the fuel tank, and the shorter one comes out the carburetor on one side. I think that's about it in terms of replacing the primer bulb and those fuel lines.